In the previous tutorial, we have learned about database, and today we are going to learn about relational database. You know that database is something that you can store data in an organized manner so that you can retrieve data fast. So what is a relational database? It's like this. Think that you are a detective and you want to organize some data manually with visualizations. What you normally do is create a board with all the data you have like this. So in the world, you can categorize data and store data with relationships and without relationships. Storing data with relationships is a very basic example of relational database. Because when we relate data, we can retrieve data fast and we can take decisions fast by looking at them. So in the previous tutorial, we have seen the story about John and Peter. Pete explained about the electronic database. If you didn't watch, please watch and then continue this tutorial. In that example, Peter talked about a bookstore and how to arrange books in the store in a database. So in there we have entries like books, shelf, customer and author. A relational database is a collection of data items with predefined relationship between them like this. A book has a relationship with shelf, and book has a relationship with author, and book have a relationship with customer. Tables are used to hold information about the objects to be represented in a database. Each column in a table stores the actual value and the attribute. The rows in a table represent a collection of related values of object or entity. Take the example of bookstore. You know that we have several entries: author, shelf, book. So each and every table have their own data in their tables. Keys help you to uniquely identify a row in a table. With keys, we can find the relationship between tables. We can use one or more keys to uniquely identify a row in a table. What is a primary key? A primary key is a column or group of columns that uniquely identify every row in the table of relational database management system. It cannot be duplicated. What is a foreign key? Foreign key creates relationship between two tables. The foreign key helps to link two tables or more tables together. So in the above example, ID of the author table is the primary key and ID of the books table is the foreign key. So we link books and authors tables using these two keys. There are several relations types in DBMS. The first one is one-to-one relationship. In this relationship, each record of one table is related to only one record of other table. Think that, for an example, the person and the passport. A person can have only one passport and a one passport can have only one person. The second one is one-to-many relationship. In this relationship, each record of one table is related to one or many records of other tables. For an example, think that a person and a Google account. A person can have many Google accounts, but one Google account can have only one person. The third one is many-to-many relationship. In this relationship, each record of one table can be related to one or many records of other table. And a single record of second table can be related to one or more than one record of the first table. For an example, think that the relationship between person and the product. A person can buy many products and also a product can be bought by many persons or many people.